Hello dear all. So now we continue with the next part of the angle and its measurement. Now that is the length of sector and area of sector wala part. So see here, what is the meaning of sector actually? Consider a circle. A circle hai with center at O, and if you consider OAB as a sector where the center angle is theta in radian. Then the length of this sector here, AB, this is S. So here the formula, there are two formulas in this, that is length of sector AB. This is AB here, that is S is equal to R theta. S is always given by theta. And area of sector, that is OAB, that is this particular area, this sector, is sector ka pura area, is always given by half R square theta. That is area of sector A is equal to half R square theta. In both the cases, theta is in radian. So that's very important part to remember. Theta kisme hona chahiye. In this formula we are using, the theta should be in radian. So based on this, that is exercise 1.2 of your textbook. So exercise 1.2 के कुछ question अभी हम करते हैं based on this particular formula. Fine? Okay, so just copy down this. Yes, so exercise 1.2, question number 2 is on the board here. What is the question? See, the radius of a circle is 9 centimeter. Find the length of an arc of this circle which cut off a chord of a length equal to the length of radius. Is equal to the length of radius. So what is given? See here. So what is given in this question number 2, exercise 1.2 का क्वेश्चन 2 है. क्या दिया है इसमें दिया है कि एक सर्कल है, उसका रेडियस इज गिवन एज 9 सेंटीमीटर एंड द कॉर्ड का जो लेंथ है, दिस पर्टिकुलर सेक्टर कट कॉर्ड, उसका भी लेंथ 9 ही है. दैट आल्सो 9. सो कंसीडर अ सेक्टर OAB. So 9, 9, 9, therefore this form an equilateral triangle, so this is 60 degree. So now very simple, R is known, theta is known, so we can easily find the length. Here the question is what is the length? So what is the length? So whatever the diagram is on the board, उसके बारे में थोड़ा लिख लेते हैं. जो क्या है? Consider a sector OAB where OA is equal to OB is equal to 9 centimeter. That is given. ये given है आपको, बराबर है? And AB is chord cut off by an arc AB. Therefore, the length of AB is equal to radius is given, so that is also equal to 9 centimeter. So it is also given, and therefore triangle OAB is an equilateral triangle. क्या हो जाएगा? Equilateral. This is equilateral triangle. OAB will be equilateral triangle. Therefore, major angle AOB is 60 degree, because in equilateral triangle all angles are equal to what? 60 degree. Now 60 को आपको रेडियन में कन्वर्ट करना है. 60, that is 5/3 radian. Therefore, required length of R, that is S, is equal to what? R theta. R का वैल्यू इधर दिया है 9, theta का वैल्यू होगा π/3 कट So this is the final answer for this sum. Answer is 3 pi centimeter. आई बात समझ में? So it's very simple. This all sides are equal. Therefore equilateral triangle. So that center angle is 60 degree. बस यही बात था इस sum में. So just copy down this one. एक बार देख लो अच्छे से. Yeah, so see the next question, question number 4, exercise 1.2 का question number 4 on the board. A pendulum of length 14 centimeter oscillates through the angle of 18 degree. Find the length of its path. Question क्या दिया है? A pendulum of length 14 centimeter oscillates through an angle of 18 degree. Find the length of its path. So what is given in this question? Question number 4. So question number 4 में क्या दिया है? This is a pendulum है. Pendulum oscillate होता है, आपको मालूम है इस तरह. तो यहाँ उसका oscillation points are there. Now this angle is 18 degree. This is 18 degree already given. So what is the length? What is the length of path? So length of path is nothing but the length of arc. So 18 degree is already given, as well as the length of pendulum. So length of pendulum also given to you as 14 centimeter. This is given as 14 centimeter. So clear cut from figure here. So from figure, length of pendulum. Length of pendulum is nothing but r, that is equal to 14 centimeter, and length angle theta is equal to 18 degrees. So 18 degree you have to convert into 18 degree you have to convert into radians. So multiply by this, so that become pi upon 10 radian. So as r is there, theta is there. So path of pendulum, path of oscillation, the path of pendulum जो भी क्वेश्चन है क्या दिया है? Length of its path, length of path of pendulum is s is equal to r theta. R का वैल्यू दिया है. What is r? R is given as 14 and this is given as pi by 10. So it total कितना होगा? 7. This is pi. So it is 7 pi upon 5. If you put the value of pi as 22 upon 7, so 7 cut, it is 22 upon 5, which is 4.4 centimeter. So that's the final answer. That is the length of pendulum. So length of pendulum is 4.4 centimeter, like this. That is the final answer. So एक बार just go through करो. Yes, so see the next question. Question number 6. The area of a circle is 25 pi square centimeter. Find the length of its arc subtending an angle of 144 degree at the center. Also find the area of the corresponding sector. That's the question. So here in this question क्या दिया है देखो. Area of circle is given as 25 pi and center angle is given as theta. Yeah. So क्या assume कर लेते हैं? Let r be the radius of circle. So radius of the circle. So we know that area of circle क्या होता है? Area of circle is always pi r square, and this is given as 25 pi. Pi cut. So r square is, therefore r is. So आपको r का वैल्यू मिला 5 सेंटीमीटर. Now theta is given as 144 degree. So 144 you have to convert into radian. So if you just cancel this, 36 4s are, 36 5s are. So it is 4 pi by 5 radian, like this. So the length of an arc Therefore, length of an arc S is equal to r theta. R का वैल्यू 5 and theta का वैल्यू दिया है 4 pi upon 5. 5 cancel, so it is 4 pi centimeter. And area of sector की जब अगर बात करोगे, so that is A is equal to r square theta. So that is half into theta. So this is 2 cancel, take 5 cancel. That is nothing but 10 pi. So it is 10 pi centimeter square. So that's the answer here. What is the answer? Length of an arc is 4 pi centimeter and area of sector 10 pi centimeter square. So that's the final answer. एक बार अच्छे से देख लो बच्चों. Yes, so the next question, question number 7. Question number 7 में क्या दिया है? OAB is a sector of a circle having center at O and the radius is 12 centimeter. If measure angle AOB is 45 degree, find the difference between the area of sector OAB and triangle OAB. Define sector and triangle OAB का difference आपको ढूंढना है इधर. So in this case, what is given? So जो दिया है पहला, उसके बारे में पहला क्वेश्चन समझ लेते हैं क्या क्वेश्चन दिया है. So क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया है? एक सर्कल है. Fine. With center at say O. Now this is your sector AB. And this angle is given as 45 degree. ये angle कितना दिया है? 45 degree. The question is, what is this? That is difference between the area of sector OAB and what is the area of triangle OAB. इन दोनों का difference दिया है. Difference find करना है. This is given as 12. This is given as 12. So जो भी diagram में दिखता है वही हम लिख रहे हैं. Consider a circle with center at O as shown. As shown in figure. Fine. OA is equal to OB is equal to 12 centimeter. Is a radii of circle. क्या reason है इधर? It is a radii of the circle. And measure angle AOB is equal to theta 45 degree. मतलब 45 into pi upon 180. So that is nothing but pi by 4 radian. ये क्या हो जाएगा? Pi by 4 radian. Fine. Now important job is to find what is the area of triangle. So area of triangle हमको ढूंढना है. So I am drawing this here. To drawing AM perpendicular. Draw AM perpendicular to OB. That is, we consider OB as a base and AM as a height. Now, therefore, triangle OAM is 45, 45, 90 triangle. बराबर है? Because this angle is 45, this angle is 90, so this is automatically become 45. So what is AM? The length of AM is here. The length of AM is 1 upon root 2 times of the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse here is OA. That is 1 upon root 2 into 12. उसमें से cancel होगा, so that will become 6 root 2. 6 root 2 centimeter, and that is nothing but height of the triangle. Height of triangle OAB. Remember this is the height of triangle OAB. Base here बेस ऑफ ट्रायंगल OAB, because अगर ये हाइट हमने कंसीडर किया तो दिस इज अ बेस which is OB, that is equals to what? OB, and that is given as 12 centimeter. Therefore, area of triangle OAB is half into base into height. That is very simple formula. So that is half 12 into 6 root 2. 12 into 6 root 2. So this is cancelled with this. So 6 into 6 become 36 root 2 centimeter square. That is that. And therefore, area of sector OAB. What is the area of sector OAB? It is a half r square theta. क्या होता है? Half r square theta. R का value, what is the value of r in this? 12. So that is half 12 का square, and theta का value जो है, it is theta is given as pi by 4. Theta क्या दिया है? Pi by 4. So it is cancel होके क्या आएगा? It's 144 divided by 2. That is 72. So simply it is 18 pi. क्या आएगा? 144 divided by 8. So it is 18 ends up बराबर है 18 pi centimeter square, like this. And therefore the required area, that is required area हमको चाहिए this. So required area is, therefore the required area is area of sector OAB minus area of triangle OAB. So sector का क्या है? 18 pi, and this triangle का क्या आया? 36 root 2. So 18 common, अंदर बचेगा pi minus 2 root 2, like this. That's the आपका. This is the final answer for this sum. Fine? Oh. Yes, so next question here, question number 9. The perimeter of a sector of the circle of area 25 pi square centimeter is 20 centimeter. Find the area of sector. So इसमें क्या दिया है? See here. Perimeter of sector is given as 20 centimeter and the area of circle is given as 25 pi. Area of the circle दिया है 25 pi. That is, we consider this one. ये पूरा circle. Here we center at O, the sector here. Now this is R, this is R. What is this one? ये होता है R theta. So here the perimeter means the sum of the boundaries. This is all the boundaries. So R theta and R, this sum. Okay? So what is that? Here, let R be the radius of circle. वापस वही बात, let R be assumed as the radius of the circle. Therefore, area of circle. What is the area of circle is given as 25 pi, which is pi r square. Pi cut, so r square is 25. Therefore, r is 5 centimeter. R का वैल्यू कितना आया? 5 centimeter आया. आई बात समझ में? So when r is equal to 5 centimeter and the perimeter, let theta is theta radian. Let theta radian is center angle. Therefore, perimeter of sector. Perimeter of sector क्या होगा? R and R theta. Clearly from the figure here. So this is nothing but R plus R theta. So that is 2R plus R theta. इसमें से R common लेंगे. Now R का value, what is the value of R from this? R is equal to 5. So 5 2. And the value of this perimeter is already given as 20. क्या दिया है? Perimeter का value दिया है. It is 20, so it is 20. 5 divided करोगे तो 4, therefore theta is 2 radian. Theta का वैल्यू क्या है? 2 radian. The question is, what is the area of sector? Therefore, area of sector is half r square theta. So half r का value 5. So this 5 square into 2. 2 cancel. So it is 25. So answer is 25 centimeter square. So that is the required area. The required area of the sector OAB. So that is 25 centimeters square. एक बार अच्छे से देख लो. Hello dear all. So now here we complete exercise 1.2. We've solved a few questions of miscellaneous. In fact, the miscellaneous is generally given to practice to you. आपको सॉल्व करना है miscellaneous exercise पूरा. और उसमें से कुछ डाउट है तो मुझे आपको फोन करके WhatsApp कर देना है. I will clear your doubt. But miscellaneous is just a homework to you all. And उसमें से कुछ जो difficult question मेरे हिसाब से है that I will just discuss now. But the remaining sums you have to solve at home and ask the doubts if any doubt is there. Yes, so miscellaneous exercise 1, second part में से second question देखो क्या दिया है. 2 circles each of radius 7 centimeter intersect each other. The distance between their center is 7√2 centimeter. Find the area common to both the circles. What is the area common to both the circles? That's the question. So see here, what is given? First of all, we discuss about the question. जो question दिया उसके बारे में discuss कर लेते हैं. So what is given in there? There are 2 circles. 2 circles दिए हैं. One and another. Both having the same radius. दोनों का radius क्या है? Same. That is say 7 centimeter. दोनों का radius दिया है. दोनों का radius आपको same दिया है and that is 7 centimeter. And the distance between there, this is given as 7√2. So if you join this, it is 7. If you join this, it is 7. If you join this also 7, this also 7. So this is 7, 7, 7 here. Like this. The question is, what is the area between the shaded portion here? The shaded portion जो दिख रहा है, that is what is the common. Shaded portion तो मैंने बनाया नहीं था, अभी बना दिया. The shaded portion is this. That is area common to 2 circles. Area common to 2 circles जो है उसका area क्या होगा? What is the area of this? If you observe this, if I find the area of OAB, अगर मैंने OAB सेक्टर का area निकाला and CAB सेक्टर का area निकाला, तो ये वाला जो area है ना जो शेड किया है वो 2 बार ऐड होता है. So you have to subtract this quadrilateral area. Quadrilateral का area अगर हमने subtract कर लिया, so your problem is solved here. आपका problem इधर solve हो जाएगा. So we'll see this step by step here. Solution here जो दिया है. Consider 2 circles with center at O and C and radius 7 centimeter. Intersect each other at A and B as shown in figure. Fine. Now clear cut, this is OA. सब जो पहला तो मैं रेडियस के बारे में लिख देता हूँ. OA is equal to OB is equal to CA is equal to CB is equal to 7 centimeter. Now what is Y? Radius of circle, and that is given as equal. The both are given. Radius of circle given as 7 centimeter. दोनों equal भी दिया है. Therefore, this quadrilateral OACB is rhombus. All sides of this is equal. All sides is equal. Also, OC is given as, what is OC given here? OC is given as 7 root 2 centimeter. OC is given as 7 root 2 centimeter. That is distance between the two circles. Distance between the two circles is given as 7 root 2 centimeter. वो दिया हुआ है. Now, if you do the 7 square plus 7 square, it is 49 plus 49. That is 98, and 98 is nothing but 7 root 2 का square. किसका square है? 7 root 2 square. So 7 मतलब we just consider this AC square plus AO square. AC square plus AO square is equal to what? OC square. So in this triangle, we consider AC कोई भी दो side triangle के कोई भी दो side का square अगर ऐड करते हैं और थर्ड साइड का स्क्वायर मिलता है, so that is always a right angle triangle. तो क्या हो जाता है? Right angle triangle हो जाता है. So here clear it from this by converse of Pythagoras. Converse of Pythagoras theorem. The converse of Pythagoras theorem, major angle OAC 90 degree and triangle OAC is right angle. That is a right angle triangle. 90 degree is nothing but radian में convert करोगे तो it is pi by 2 radian. Because the standard angle we should know the direct radian of this. So 90 degree क्या होता है? Pi by 2 radian हो जाता है. So now we will find area of sector. So आपको required area क्या है? This area of this sector OAB plus CAB minus that quadrilateral. Now the quadrilateral become, और quadrilateral क्या हो जाएगा? अगर एक 90 डिग्री आ गया, रोम्बस में एक 90 डिग्री आ गया, तो that is nothing but it is a square. और quadrilateral ना बनते हुए वो क्या बन जाएगा? Square बन जाएगा. Therefore, quadrilateral OACB is square. क्या बन जाएगा वो? It is square. Because in any rhombus is always a parallelogram. On parallelogram में क्या होता है? Opposite angles are equal and adjacent जो angle होते हैं वो supplementary होते हैं. Now opposite equal मतलब एक 90 है तो उसके opposite 90 और बाजू वाला supplementary मतलब वो भी 90 हो जाएगा. तो automatically all angles are 90 in the rhombus. So rhombus is automatically becomes square. All sides are equal and angle is 90 degree. So it is square. Therefore, area of this OACB is nothing but 7 square, which is 49 centimeter square, because 7 is the side of this. Very simple. And now, area of sector OAB and area of sector CAB, both are equal. दोनों equal है. That is equal to half r square theta. इधर r का value 7 दिया है and theta one angle is just calculated. तो एक angle जो हमको मिला है which is nothing but pi by 2. तो pi by 2 है. So it's 49 pi divided by 4. 49 pi divided by 4. This is the area of one of the sector. So required area क्या है? What is the required area? Required area common between the two circles. So required area, therefore required area common to two circles is nothing but area of sector OAB plus area of sector CAB minus what? Area of square. So this is nothing but 49 pi by 4 plus 49 pi by 4 minus 49 like this. So 49 अगर हमने कॉमन निकाला pi by 4 minus 1, so pi by 4 plus pi by 4 is what? Pi by 2 minus 1. So this is your, that's the final answer for this, is 49 into pi by 2 minus 1. That is the final answer for this particular sum. Okay? Yes, so next miscellaneous exercise, the question number 3 here. It is given as triangle PQR is an equilateral triangle with side 18 cm. A circle is drawn on the segment QR as a diameter. Find the length of the arc of this circle within the triangle. ऐसा दिया है. So what is given here? Triangle PQR is an equilateral triangle दिया हुआ है, and QR is given as 18 cm. The length of the triangle is given as 18 cm, and we are considering that as a diameter. So here, पहला क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया और क्या फाइंड करना है पहला समझ लेते हैं क्या दिया है. So this is given as PQR. PQR is equilateral triangle दिया है. क्या दिया है? PQR equilateral triangle, and उसका ये base 18 cm, मतलब सारे के सारे 18 हो गए. This is 18 cm here. Now what the construction they have done here? Considering QR as a diameter. QR as a diameter एक सर्कल बन रहा है इधर. QR को हमने डायमीटर को कंसीडर करके एक सर्कल बन रहा है. So properly ऐसा we consider the QR as a diameter, consider करके एक सर्कल बना, and let this cut here in the triangle in the position say AB, where this is O is a midpoint here. If we assume this as O as a midpoint, so what is the length of this sector here, which is inscribed in the triangle? ये length आपको question में पूछा है. So what is this length? The arc AB पूछा है. That is inscribed in this. आई बात समझ में? This is a question here. ये question ऐसा दिया है. So whatever the question, पहला तो जो figure है उसके बारे में थोड़ा discuss कर लेते हैं. Let PQR is an equilateral triangle. PQR is equilateral triangle, therefore measure angle P is equal to measure angle Q is equal to measure angle R is 60 degree. PQ is equal to PR is equal to QR is equal to 18 centimeter. Now this is given to you. Now we assume that O as a midpoint. O is midpoint of, we assume that O as a midpoint of QR. Considering QR as a diameter, that is O as diameter, that is O as center, draw circle which cuts PQ at A and PR at B as shown in figure. Fine. जो भी मैंने डायग्राम में बनाया वही बात उधर एक्सप्लेन किया है. PQR is an equilateral triangle, all sides are equal. Find O is the midpoint of QR, उसको लेके हमने सर्कल बनाया, and then cut PQ at A and PR at B. So what is the length of arc AB? That's the question. बात समझ में आए? तो now I am joining this here. This I am joining. So next is join OA and OB. So join OA and OB. So what is OA and OB? Because O is a midpoint, so OR is equal to OQ. OR is equal to OQ is equal to OA is equal to OB. That is nothing but the radius. बराबर. तो मैं इधर ये वाला पार्ट यहाँ से पार्ट कर देता हूँ. Now, since O is midpoint of QR, OQ is equal to OR is equal to OA is equal to OB is equal to 9 centimeter, because that is nothing but the radius of the constructed circle. Midpoint is सब 9 centimeter हो जाएंगे. बराबर है. तो 9 centimeter. If you just done this is a 9 centimeter here. Yes. So now, if you just consider this here, OAQ. अब ये triangle if you consider OAQ. So इसमें क्या दिया? OA and हमने OQ जो है वो equal है. In triangle OAQ. OA is equal to OQ. OA is equal to OQ is equal to what? 9 centimeter, right? And therefore, measure angle A should be equal to measure angle Q, because ये दो side equal है, तो इसका base जो है, this is an isosceles triangle. क्या? Measure angle A is equal to measure angle Q. Result क्या है? It is base angle of isosceles triangle, but measure angle Q is 60 degree already known, because all तीनों angle अपने 60 degree है. all तीनों angle 60 degree होने के कारण measure angle A क्या हो जाएगा? Therefore measure angle A is also 60 degree. So ये 60 degree होने के कारण ये भी 60 हो गया, दोनों 60 हो गया. Therefore measure angle AOQ is also 60 degree. That is, triangle AOQ is an equilateral triangle. This triangle becomes an equilateral triangle. So similarly, we can say that BOR. Similarly, the BOR, triangle BOR also an equilateral. ये भी equilateral triangle बनेगा. So this is also 60, this also 60. Therefore, the angle AOB is how much? Therefore, angle AOB is also 60 degree. Now we can say that now measure angle AOQ plus measure angle AOB plus measure angle BOR should be equal to 180 degree. Why? Because it is straight angle. सबको अगर हमने ऐड किया तो सबको तीनों को ऐड करने के बाद वो स्ट्रेट एंगल बनने वाला है. Now out of this, the two are already known to you. That is, it is 60. This also 60. Therefore, measure angle AOB is how much? 60 degree. And you convert this into the radian, so that is nothing but pi by 3 in radian. 60 degree को pi by 3 radian में हो जाएगा. Now that is nothing but the center angle we got. The radius we know as 9 centimeter. Length of OA is equal to length of OB is already known to you as 9 centimeter. Therefore, the required length of sector. Required length of sector S is equal to what? R theta, R का value That is this 9 and theta का value pi by 3. This is cut. So answer is 3 pi centimeter. So this is the answer for this particular sum. थोड़ा complicated था, but see this. Yes, so next is question number 9. Question number 9 में क्या दिया है? A train is running on a circular track of radius is 1 kilometer at the rate of 36 kilometer per hour. Find the angle to the nearest minute through which it will turn in 30 seconds. So it will turn in 30 seconds. So what is the question? पहला question के बारे में discuss कर लेते हैं. So what is given in this particular question? Question में क्या दिया है देखो. तो क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया है कि ये सर्कुलर ट्रैक है. सपोज यू कंसीडर सर्कुलर ट्रैक. इधर इसका कितना लंबा सेंटर होगा. फाइन. इधर एक आपका ट्रेन है. ये ट्रेन है. नाउ ट्रेन इज मूविंग ऑन द सर्कुलर ट्रैक. सर्कुलर ट्रैक. दिस इज द 1 किलोमीटर. द सर्कुलर ट्रैक का जो रेडियस है, और रेडियस कितना दिया है? 1 किलोमीटर दिया हुआ है. It is given as 1 kilometer and the speed of the train is given as 36 kilometer per hour. That is given as the speed of the train. तो 30 सेकंड में यहाँ से यहाँ कितना तो थोड़ा तो ट्रैवल करेगी. तो 30 सेकंड में कितना एंगल ट्रैवल करेगी? What is this angle? So this angle कितना होगा in 30 सेकंड? 30 सेकंड के यहाँ से वो मूव करेगी. तो 30 सेकंड में वो एंगल कितना होगा? That's the question asked. So that's the question asked. So we'll see the solution of this one. Now इसका solution ले लेते हैं. So consider here. So A is the initial position, B is the position after 30 seconds. Consider AB as circular track of a train. Let R be radius of track. Let R be the radius. Fine. So here R is equal to nothing but OA is equal to OA, OB is equal to R is given as 1 kilometer. A is the initial position. A is initial position and B is position after 30 seconds of a train. We assume that A has the initial position and B is a position after 30 seconds of a train. So train का जो position है, A initial position है and B is a position after 30 seconds. So AB क्या हो गया? What is AB? AB is distance travel. So length AB, length of RAB, basically length of RAB is nothing but distance traveled by train in 30 seconds. Let's measure angle AOB is theta radian. Measure angle AOB is theta radian, like this. So this is all information is there, but we want what is the distance travel. Distance travel पहला find कर लेते हैं. So speed of the train is how much given to you? 36 kilometer per hour. That is nothing but 36 divided by 360. Our 1 hour is 3600 second because everything is given in second. हमको second में निकालना है. मिनट में निकालना होता तो हम divide by 60 करते. इधर second में निकालना है. Therefore 1/100 which is 0.01 kilometer. Now it will become kilometer per second. Therefore distance travel by train in 30 seconds. Distance traveled by train in 30 seconds. 30 into 0.01, that is 0.3 kilometer. So that is the length of R. And therefore the length of R, so finally the length of R is equal to find, therefore length of RAB is equal to 0.3 kilometer, and that is nothing but R theta. क्या होता है R theta? R का वैल्यू दिया है 1 किलोमीटर, so 1 into theta, it is nothing but 0.3. Now this is 0.3 जो भी है वो किसमें है? Radian में है. So you have to convert this into 0.3 into pi upon, sorry, 180 upon pi. So 180.3 multiplied by this here, तो ये हो जाएगा 54. It is 54, 22 by 7. क्या हो जाएगा? 54, 180, 54 by, so 7 into 54. 7 into 54 divided by 22. So 7 into 54 divided by 22 का कैलकुलेशन क्या होता है जरा देख लेंगे. So that is in degree now. So it is in degree. Yes, so the calculation here 54. So it is cancel. Okay. 27 into 7. So it is 189. It is 189 upon 11 and divide करने के बाद वो आता है 17.1818 like this is recurring. So we can say this approximately equals to what? 17.182. This is approximately equal to 17.182. We have to find the nearest minute बोला है. So nearest minute के लिए find करना है. Therefore the theta is equal to, therefore the theta is equal to 17 complete degree plus 0.182 into 60, that become minute. So that is 17 degree. अगर ये multiply करेंगे 6 2s are 12, 6 2s are 12, 1 6 8s are 48 plus 190, 49 9. So it's 10.92. It is 10.92 minutes. So we can say it's approximately, we can say that 17 degree and 11 minutes is approx. Because हमको वैसे भी perfect में जाना है. So that is 17 degree and 11 minutes. So that is the answer for this sum. So that is the angle subtending by a train after 30 seconds will be this. It is 17 degree and 11 minutes. That's it. Hello dear. So now we conclude today's lecture here. Angle and its measurement का जो मेजर जो सम है हमने सब सॉल्व किए हैं. अभी आप अच्छे से इसको प्रैक्टिस करो. And best to talk to you in this chapter. So you just अच्छे से go through करोगे. Fine.